Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can stabilize the video you want in Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, you can do this on Android and iPhone, and you can check out this Filmora article if you want to check it out yourself. Yeah, I'll go over these steps and explain everything to you. Now, the way that you can do this is you need to locate and open the source video in Google Photos. You just launch the app, tap Library at the bottom right, and then tap to open the source video that you want to stabilize with the Google Video Stabilizer. And what you need to do is, after the video opens up, you just tap the edit in the bottom, and on the next screen, ensure that the video section is selected. And from there, you can tap the stabilize icon from the lower left area. And once you've done that, you just need to wait while the Google Photos Stabilizer stabilizes the video, and this is what that button looks like. Now, of course, here is your edit button, and once you've clicked on that, you will see this here. I'm pretty sure this is the stabilizer button. When everything is selected, you just click that, and then it'll stabilize your video. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is just save the video. You just save a copy in the bottom right, and your video will be saved and it'll be stabilized. And that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.